Welcome to AppStarPress. In this video, I will show you how to recover your Google account or Gmail account in case when you forgot your password or email address or phone. Now, there are multiple ways to do that. One way is to go to google.com and search Google account recovery. In the results, this page will show up. accounts.google.com sign in, username recovery. Sign in Google accounts. It says find your email, enter your phone number or recovery email. If you remember your phone number or recovery email address, then you can recover your Google account or Gmail account very easily by providing phone number or recovery email address here. So at this page, don't need to use your email address. You need to remember your recovery email address or phone number. We have our phone number with us all the time, right? So we can use that. Type your phone number and click next. Next, it will ask first name that you used in your account. Provide that and click next. Then they will send you a verification code on your phone number. All you need to do is to press send button. Provide the code, press next. And that's it. You'll be logged into your Google account. Second way is to use account recovery page. That is g.co/recover. Go to this URL and here use your email or phone. Not recovery email address, original email address. So use this method if you remember your original email address. Provide that email address and press next. And here you will see few options. Tap yes on your phone or tablet. So if you have got your phone, use this option. Get a verification code on this email address. This is the recovery email address. If you have access to the recovery email address, you can use this option. You can get a verification code on your phone as well. Let's try recovery email address method. Get a verification code on recovery email address. Log into your recovery email address, get the code and paste here. Press next. And from here, you'll be able to update your password if you forgot it. To do that, press update password button. I remember my password, so I'll click continue. And here I am inside my Google account. So this is how we can recover Gmail account or Google account easily. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.